La Bellezza Dorada, the Golden Beauty. This majestic Tuscan treasure is an inspired work of art, including lavish finishes, imported stone, and magnificent faux painting. This estate provides an unparalleled venue for indoor-outdoor entertaining. Dramatic arches, columns, Venetian plaster, and ceilings with hand-painted Italian designs are some of the extensive detailing found throughout this home. A sweeping, freestanding staircase curves up to 3-bedroom suites. Beautiful Italian tile leads onto maple hardwood flooring inside the formal living, dining rooms, and private study. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the living room have lovely views of the outdoor living area. The dining room and kitchen opens to a Venetian courtyard with Ramada fountain. The spacious chef's kitchen is enhanced by copper ceiling and a fun hidden pantry. An inviting master suite with sitting room has gorgeous views of the outdoor living area. Overlooking the 16th tee is the unique gentleman's private retreat with its Northwest Territories decor, full-size bar and bath. The expansive Gulf front outdoor living includes a Jandy-controlled heated saltwater pool and spa with water features, summer kitchen, relaxing gazebo, and screened lanai with fireplace. Find 11,000 square feet under roof, including this outdoor living area, and 7,221 air-conditioned square feet. A private motor court features 6-car oversized garages.